Everyone, in this video we are going to discuss one more problem on integration by partial fraction. The problem is integration of x square divided by x minus 1 whole cube into x plus 1 dx. Now instead of this whole cube, it can be whole square, whole to the power 4, whatever it is. So how to proceed for this sum? So I will write it as x square divided by x minus 1 whole cube into x plus 1 as a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1 whole square plus c divided by x minus 1 whole cube plus d divided by x plus 1. Like last time I said, if you remember in last video, if there is any quadratic expression in the denominator, for that in the numerator I need linear term. Similarly, it is repeating 3 times. So first time I am taking only power 1, power 2, power 3. If it is repeating 2 times, I am going to take only this one and this one. This won't be required at that time. Is it fine? Okay. So now if I just simplify, I will write x square as a into x minus 1 whole square x plus 1, b as x minus 1 into x plus 1, c into only x plus 1 and d into x minus 1 whole cube. My first two values of x, 1 and minus 1, very good. If I put x equals to 1, just check which term will get vanished. X equals to 1, x equals to 1, x equals to 1, this term will get vanished. So if I put x equals to 1, I'll get 1 equals to c into 2, so value of c is coming half. If I'll do x equals to minus 1, for x equals to minus 1, this term will get vanished, this term will get vanished, this term will get vanished, only this will remain there, right? So that time x equals to minus 1 whole square is lost, so this, so d into minus 1 minus 2 whole cube, that is minus 8. So d is equals to minus 1 divided by 8. Okay. Now I need to solve a and b. Right? So random two values, if I take one value x equals to 0, one value x equals to 2. If I take x equals to 0, just check, it will be 0 equals to a into minus 1 whole square 1, that is a, only a, plus b into I took 0, so minus 1 plus 1, so this will become minus 1, 0, so plus c, which is half, and 0 minus 1 whole cube, that is minus d, that is 1 divided by 8. Is it fine? So I am getting one value, one equation rather. So a minus b, that is equals to minus half minus 1 by 8. If I take the LCM 8, so it will be minus 5 by 8. That's my one equation. If I take x equals to 2, it's not mandatory to take 0 and 2. 0 and 2 we are taking to make our calculation easier. So if I take x equals to 2, this side it will be 4. 2 minus 1 whole square, that is 1. And 2 plus 1, that is 3. So it will be 3a, right? So 2 minus 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3, again 3, just check the way we are getting the equations, plus 2 plus 1, again 3, I am putting the value of c, which is half, plus d into 2 minus 1 whole cube, that is 2 only. So instead of d, if I will put the value of d, that will be for more easier, value of d is my minus 1 divided by 8. So my equation will be 3a plus 3b equals to 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 8. So if I simplify, I will get the correct equation. So 8 LCM, it will be 32 minus 12 plus 1. So that will be 21 divided by 8, that is 3a plus 3b. So your a plus b will be equals to 7 divided by 8. Is it fine? By one equation, a minus b is minus 5 by 8. Another equation, a plus b is 7 divided by 8. So if I'll add these two equations, I will get the value of a and b. A will be equals to 2a will be equals to 2 by 8. So a is equals to 1 by 8. and b will be equals to 6 by 8 or 3 divided by 4, right? If you remember the equation, now I can write that x square divided by x minus 1 whole cube into x plus 1 as, what is my a, is my 1 divided by 8 by x minus 1, plus b is my 3 divided by 4 by x minus 1 whole square, plus 1 divided by 2 by x minus 1 whole cube, minus 1 divided by 8 divided by x plus 1. Now I have to integrate all the terms. Some terms are easy, some are easier, some are easiest. So for this it will be 1 divided by 8 log of mod x minus 1. This is another one, 1 divided by 8 log of mod x plus 1. Do you agree? Now what will happen for this two term? Just check. Another thing you will remember, if it is integration of a dx by x log of mod x, integration of dx by log mod x plus 1 log of mod x plus 1. So if my variable is not getting disturbed by any power or plus or minus, the answer will remain same. So integration of dz by z square, what will be the formula? The formula will be z to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1. This is z to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by this, right? And what is going to happen for this? This will be plus half x minus 1 whole to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1, right? So your final answer is 1 divided by 8 log of mod x minus 1 minus 3 divided by 4 1 divided by x minus 1. This will be minus 2 minus 1 divided by 4. This will be 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square minus 1 divided by 8 mod of log x plus 1. This was the last line of integration, so I am adding plus c integration constant. I know it's a huge sum, but try to understand. Again, I am always open for that. Any sum if you have problem, write it in the comment box. I will solve it. Thank you.